time to go see Buddha. Let's go.
Just arrived to Buddha Eden, which is a crazy sculpture park. I think it's about an hour and a half north of Lisbon, and we're gonna shoot a roll of film today on my Canon A1. I think it's Fuji Superia ISO's 200 on there. We're gonna get started. We're gonna walk around, take pictures. There's like beautiful sculptures everywhere. It's really peaceful here, and the sun is still shining, and that's really nice.
In this exact moment, two things went wrong. First, Dana opened an old roll of photos by accident, thereby destroying all the undeveloped negatives. And, to make matters worse, our video camera stopped recording audio for the next hour of footage. The lost film photos are particularly heartbreaking because Dana shot portraits of all our friends in Lisbon, so a month's worth of images just disappeared in an instant. It's one of those mistakes every film photographer makes once, and then hopefully never again. Moments like these are a part of learning to shoot film, but it's equally possible for your hard drives to get corrupted or your website to crash, which is why I'd suggest making your life easy and building your website with Squarespace. They were kind enough to sponsor this month's video, and they'll gladly help you with your site to make sure it runs smoothly on a range of devices and operating systems. So check out the link below if you're interested.
Ready, Liv? Lou?
Yep.
Can I take it?
Mm-hmm.
Aw, man. Nope. No more. So this time I'm gonna wind it.
While Dana winds up her precious roll of film, I'd like to take this moment to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you're debating starting your own website, check out the post we put together with all the photos from this day. And when you're ready to get started, head to squarespace.com/wildweroam and use the Wild We Roam offer code to get 10% off your first purchase.
That was really fun. Time to head home. And good thing our home is just in the parking lot.